Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee with an espresso machine. First, let's get your machine ready. Make sure it's plugged in and powered on, with the indicator light showing it's ready. Then, fill the water reservoir with fresh, cold, filtered water for the best taste. Finally, place your preferred coffee cup directly onto the drip tray, ready to catch your delicious brew. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your coffee experience. Now it's time to brew your perfect cup. Gently lift the lever on your Nespresso machine and carefully insert your favorite coffee capsule into the designated slot. Once the capsule is in place, firmly close the lever. You'll feel it puncture the capsule, preparing it for brewing. Then, simply press the brew button corresponding to your desired coffee size, whether it's a short espresso or a longer lungo. Your machine will begin brewing immediately. Once your coffee is brewed, the fun of customization begins. You can enhance your drink by adding a splash of milk, cream, or your favorite milk alternative. For those who enjoy a sweeter taste, stir in some sugar, a flavored syrup, or a natural sweetener. Don't hesitate to experiment with different flavorings, such as a hint of vanilla or a dash of caramel, to create a truly personalized beverage. Enjoy your perfectly crafted coffee. To keep your Nespresso machine performing its best, regular care is essential. After each use, remember to empty and rinse the used capsule container. It's also a good practice to clean the drip tray and water reservoir regularly to prevent buildup. For optimal machine longevity and coffee quality, descale your Nespresso machine every 3 to 6 months, depending on your water hardness and usage. Proper maintenance ensures delicious coffee for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.